lowo muntu warefuse ukuyithatha leyo gift, i-gift yokuphilisa abantu, wathi lowo muntu ngeke ngiyithathe leyo gift, iyothathwa umakhumalo, esho nomakhumalo wami. Now ingena kanjani kaMseleko? I-gift ayifuni ujabule yona ingajabule.
So after uMacele has said and done ukuthi uMakhumalo unengane publicly at TV without uMakhumalo ezikhulumela yena, usis kaMakhumalo had a chance to speak noMseleko, and she told us ukuthi uMakhumalo had ingane and ingane yakhona has passed on. Then Umseleko came ku-diary session yakhe ukuthi uMakhumalo can have abantwana, and let us not blame it on the Mseleko's side. uMakhumalo initially had i-gift, and i-gift yakhona bekuyomunye umuntu, but then they passed it kuMakhumalo, and no one wants to take that gift of healing people, ubungoma, if I'm not mistaken. So since no one wants to take this gift, i-gift nayo anyeke ikujabulise fully. So that's why uMakhumalo can be able to give birth to abantwana bakaMseleko. So if ever he knows that, why does he keep on eloku busy emtshela ngenzalo nokuthi she failed into ayizele lana kwaMseleko? I think that's the question usisi wakhona ebekafuna ukuyizwa leyo ukuthi okay fine, everything is beautiful kuthando nesithembu senu, but why uhlezi uloku busy uletha indaba yokuthi uThobile ingane ntontoni uyahluleka lento ayizele la ekhaya? Why uloku busy usho kanjalo? And instead of ukuthi akhulume kahle nosisi kaThobile, uMseleko belokhu ebusy ezidefenda, niyamazi. And I feel like nale IVF lena akafuni ukuyenza because I don't know, mhlambe uhlonipha usiko lwakho aboThobile and akakhona ukutshela uThobile, but he can be manipulating us, esitshela ukuthi hey usiko lakaThobile nton. Kanti he knows very well ukuthi akayifuni i-IVF because uMacele told him ukuthi engayenzi i-IVF noThobile. A short reminder guys, kuthiwa sekuzo-edwa 4 more episodes. The whole season bekumele iyaphela next week, but then they told us ukuthi bazofaka 4 more episodes because of people are interested in this story. So sisazozwa more and more and more, and I hope nje sithola the whole clarity of why uThobile igama lakhe had to be mentioned e-TV na kuthiwe unengane ekungayona kaMseleko, and people questioned uThobile ngengane ekungayona kaMseleko, but didn't get answer until usisi kaThobile esho ukuthi hey ingane passed on. I'm saying so, we finally heard iqiniso, but still we need the original person ezositshela yena ukuthi hey ingane nton loku naloku, because we are invested in this. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.